Hi, this is Dan from nCamp. At nCamp, we focus on making compact camping gear and elevating your experience. I'm going to talk to you about the nCamp prep surface and how it is unique. Cooking on a campsite can be complicated, especially if you are using fresh ingredients. You typically don't have clean surfaces to set things or a stable place to chop or prep. There are products available that can help, such as cutting boards that are lightweight, designed for camping, and folding tables that can provide a place to set things or serve. While these are great additions to your gear, they are often limited. Cutting boards like this give you a place to cut, but not much else. And tables like this aren't really great for cutting. Our prep surface is unique in that it has a bamboo top, making it a great cutting surface. It also has folding legs, allowing you to elevate it and create a stable cutting surface. This means you have a stable place to cut, stage, and serve a meal. Bamboo is also naturally antimicrobial, so it's a great material for this use. Our prep surface also has a very unique feature in that it nests with our nCamp stove. When nested, it adds a little bit of thickness to the stove, but you still have a compact package for your pack. In order to nest it, just fold up the legs and place the nesting tabs between the frame and the top cover of the stove. This can be placed inside the durable nylon bag that comes with the prep surface. Giving you a compact package for your pack. To summarize, the prep surface has a bamboo top, making it a great cutting board. Also, bamboo is naturally antimicrobial. It has legs that fold and unfold to make it compact, but still provide a stable surface for staging, prepping, and serving. The prep surface is compact and lightweight, and it nests with the nCamp stove, creating the kitchen to go. It comes with a durable nylon bag that fits both the prep surface and the stove. All of these features are designed to elevate your experience. For more information, images, and videos, please visit www.ncampgear.com.